How'd the test go? It's visual cortex day, right? It's a big one. Sorry, I kind of made myself at home. Would you like some cantaloupe?
What? No, thanks.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. How old are you, Emma?
What?
Where are you going, boy? Get him!
No rapids in Big Rapids. No mountains in Mount Pleasant. When I was a child, I misread the map and thought the town was Mr. Pleasant. I was sorely disappointed when I discovered the truth. Still, I ended up at Central. Maybe I was hoping I'd find a Mr. Pleasant who cut me some slack. It was the only school that accepted me.
Oh, honey, can you throw this away for me, please, while you're up?
Sure. Don't stay up too late, dear. Good night, girls.
Night, Mom.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Kevin, where are you? You were supposed to be here an hour ago.
再迟到，就扫地出门了，不要再来啦！
He's coming.
他这个人真讨厌。
I swear to you, you walk out that door, and you and Miss Sadowski will never have a career again.
All right, here's the deal.
Yes, I slept well. Look, it was a long time ago. Right, how long do I get to be the bad guy? This new parenting law is ridiculous. People weren't judged like this when we were kids.
But they are now. You knew we were trying to have a child. You should have known this would have come back to haunt you.
Perfect. Every moment you had.